everyone, I'm Tiara, management student from University of Technopat Indonesia. So, this is a second video about international business. But in this video, we will learn different material about ethic and social responsibility in international business. So, let's learn with me. In the era of globalization, companies no longer operate solely within one country. Business activity that cross national border bring various challenges relate not only to economic profit but also to ethic and social responsibility. Company must be able to adapt to the varying cultural norms, legal systems, social value, and societal expectation of each country in which they operate. Ethic and social responsibility are becoming increasingly important because company decisions can impact employee, customer, community, the environment, and even international relations. Therefore, international companies are required to pursue not only profit but also conduct business responsibly and sustainability. And we learn the first material, the nature of ethic and social responsibility in international business. Business ethic is a set of moral principles used to determine whether a business action is considered right or wrong. In international context, business ethics refers to the standard of behavior that govern how companies operate when interacting with individual, organization, government from different countries. Ethics help companies make decisions that are not only economically profitable but also morally acceptable. For example, a company may be able to earn substantial profit by paying very low wages in a developing country, but such action could be ethically questionable if they do not meet a decent standard of living. And next is understanding corporate social or responsibility, or CSR. CSR is a company commitment to operate ethically and contribute to economic development while improving the quality of life for employee, local community, and society as a whole. CSR emphasizes that a company have broader obligation than simply generating profit for shareholders. Companies are also responsible for the social and environmental impact of their business activity. And what the relationship between ethic and CSR? Ethic is the foundation of implementing CSR. Companies with high ethical standards typically pay more attention to the welfare of society and government. CSR is the concrete implementation of company ethical value. If ethics relate to the principle company believe in, then CSR is the concrete action that demonstrates the commitment. And next is ethics in a cross-cultural and international context have a difference in value and norms between culture. Every country has different cultural value regarding what is considered right and wrong. Business practices that are accepted in one country may not be accepted in another. And cultural difference can affect how a company negotiate, give business gift, recruit employees, and even establish relationship with the government. Therefore, international companies must understand local culture to avoid conflict or misunderstanding. And in ethical relativism, argues that moral standards differ across cultures, so there is no single universally applicable ethical standard. But according to this approach, companies should adapt their behavior to the norms prevailing in the country in which they operate. However, this approach is often criticized because it can be used to justify practices that are detrimental to society. Next is ethical Neoliberalism argues that certain moral values apply to all humans regardless of culture or country. Example include prohibition against slavery, discrimination, child exploitation, and corruption. These values are considered fundamental principles that must be respected by all international companies. Next is ethical dilemma in international business. Companies often face situations where local norms conflict with the company global ethical standard. An example is the practice of bribery, which may be considered commonplace in certain business environments but is prohibited by international corporate law and codes of ethics. Such situations create dilemmas that require careful consideration. And 3 is managing ethical behavior across borders. Establishing a global code of ethics. Multinational companies typically establish a code of ethics that applies to all branches in various countries. A code of ethics serves as a guide for employees in dealing with various business situations that have the potential to raise ethical issues. And ethics training for employees need to be trained on the company ethical standard and how to apply them in different cultural contexts. This training help employees understand acceptable and avoidable action when conducting international business activity. Leadership with integrity. Ethical behavior must be started with company leadership. Top management play a crucial role in creating an organizational culture that upholds ethics. If leaders demonstrate high integrity, employees will be more motivated to act in accordance with the company value. Monitoring and reporting system company need to provide a secure and confidential mechanism for reporting ethical violation. This system allows employees to report unethical behavior without fear of pressure or punishment from others. Next, the material is corporate social responsibility. In a cross-cultural and international context, responsibility to employee companies are responsible for providing a safe, healthy, and fair work environment for all employees. This includes providing fair wage, protecting worker rights, and providing equal opportunity without discrimination. Responsibility to consumer. Company must ensure that the product and service they offer are safe, of high quality, and not misleading. Honesty in marketing is crucial for enabling customers to make informed decisions. Responsibility to society. Companies are expected to make positive contribution to the community in which they operate. Their contribution can take the form of education program, health programs, small business development program, or social infrastructure development. Responsibility to the environment. Company must minimize the negative impact of their professional activity on the environment. This includes reducing emission, managing waste, using energy efficiently, and conserving natural resources. Next material is managing social responsibility cross-border. Adapting CSR to local conditions. Community needs vary from country to country. Therefore, CSR program must be tailored to local social, economic, and cultural conditions. A program that is successful in one country may not be effective if implemented identically in another. Engaging local stakeholders. Companies need to communicate with the government, community, non-governmental organizations, and other local groups. Stakeholder engagement help companies understand the real needs of community and increase the effectiveness of CSR program. Integrating CSR into business strategy. CSR should not be considered a mere add-on activity but should be part of company strategy. With good integration, CSR activity can provide social benefit while supporting long-term business sustainability. So that's all the basic material about ethic and CSR in international business. So thank you for learning with me and see you in the next video.